Okay, hey, Terry Brown here. Welcome. The Oliabo difference. People ask, what makes Oliabo different? For thousands of years, we've known olives and olive oil are healthy. But in the last decade, science has discovered something incredible. Olive tree derived extracts like olive leaf and olive pulp offer benefits we've never imagined. At Oliabo, we use only the highest quality extracts from the leaf and the fruit to create products that set a new standard in wellness. This is heritage, innovation, and community coming together. This is the olive standard. Why it's a smart idea to try Prima by Oliabo. Prima is our foundational product. You see, if you care about your health, there's one question you should be asking. Is what I'm taking or using now actually doing anything? Let me show you why trying Prima by Oliabo is a smart place to start. Why start with our team? Well, get the information. Today, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye-bye now.